English dictation number 7, 100 words per minute start. In that context, it cannot be said that complainant has received a check at exhaust 23 for the time period debt. The accused has admitted of issuance of check at exhaust 23 to the complaint, and receiving amount from complaint is sufficient to corroborate the presumed fact of check. The defense raised by the accused is not proved by cogent and reliable evidence. The accused has merely offered explanation to the case of complaint, which is not sufficient to rebut the presumption invoiced US 118 and 139 of the NI Act in respect of the check at exhaust 23. The accused did not brought any probable circumstances on record to hold that there was existence of any fact on which any prudent man would act upon. Moreover, there is no country evidence on record to hold that there was no existence of presumed fact in respect of check at exhaust 23. In view of evidence of the complaint and document produced on record, I am of the view that the complaint has proved that the accused had issued check at exhaust 23 for consideration and to discharge legally enforceable debt. On the contrary, the accused failed to bring any probable circumstances on record to rebut presumption in respect of check. In view of the entire evidence, I hold that accused failed to rebut presumption invoiced US 118 and 139 of the NI Act in respect of check at exhaust 23. Hence, in view of fact and circumstances of case, I hold that complaint has proved that the each at exhaust 23 was issued by the accused for enforceable debt. The complaint testified at exhaust 13 that check at exhaust 23 was issued by the accused for the repayment of outstanding hand loan amount. The check was presented for enhancement in the bank and was returned unpaid on 19 April 2008. For the race account close, the memo issued by bank is proved on record at exhaust 24. The demo is provided by complaint. The demo at exhaust 24 is having a marked donation that the check has been dishonored. The memo is having presumption as per section 146 of NI Act. The presumption is raised on respect of memo exhaust 24. The accused failed to rebut presumption raised in respect of memo at exhaust. Hence, I hold that check at exhaust 23 is dishonor for the reason account closed.